So welcome back to our channel. We are going to discuss today the introduction to partial differential equations, but we were only going to talk about the 2 points boundary value problems, and it is boundary conditions. So let us give an example for this one so that we can find out the solution for a particular differential equation with respect to the specified boundary conditions. So let us consider the second order differential equation, y prime prime plus y equal to 0, where it is defined on the interval 0 to 2 pi, and the specified boundary condition, the first one is y is equal to 0, or y of 0 must equal to 0, and y of 2 pi must equal to 0. And the solutions for these equations is in the form of y squared, or yx is equal to a cosine x plus b sine x. So we will now take a look on how we're going to solve this problem. First, we are going to take the first conditions for this differential equation. Y is equal to y of 0 is equal to 0. So this is the first conditions that we have, which is y of 0 must be equal to y of 0. So we're going to substitute it in our solutions for that differential equation. So we need to substitute it here. So x must be equal to 0 ano po, if we're going to have this one. So y of x, or y of 0, is equal to a cosine x plus b, or let us make it 0 na. And then sine of 0. So, well, we can see here that since cosine 0 is equal to 1, and our sine of 0 is also is equal to 0. So this is well, alam naman natin to that in the unit circle, the this is our 0, this is our pi, or this is our pi, this is our pi over 2, and of course this is our 2 pi. And when our sine is equal to 0, and or the angle is equal to 0, then our sine must always be 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. So in that case, we have, or we can get here that y of 0, or y of 0 is equal to a times 1 plus b times 0. And of course, a is equal, or y of 0 is equal to a. And of course, since we know that it should be 0, of course, a must be equal to 0. So since a is equal to 0, then this particular component of this y of x will be eliminated. So the solutions for this, now the solution for this differential equation is given by, or in the form of, y of x is equal to b sine of x. Now, we are going to find the second boundary conditions for this one, the second boundary condition, where our value of y of 2 pi must be equal to 0, and that is the same as this one. Ano ba? So since our solutions for this differential equations is y of x is equal to b sine x, then we're going to take a look, or to substitute the value of x here is equal to 2 pi, and then this particular value will now substitute to the differential equation. Y of x is equal to b sine x, and then this will become y of 2 pi and b sine 2 pi. And of course, since our the sine x is, or the sine of 0 is equal to 0, of course, the sine of 2 pi is also 0 because of this one. So, well, we have y of 2 pi is equal to b times 0. So since any number multiplied by 0 is 0, then our value of y, 2 pi, is equal to 0. So in that particular case, we already know that this value is satisfy the conditions. So this equation is true for any value of b since the sign 2 pi is always 0. So ano, for any value of b, this particular differential equation is uh, true. Yeah. So it means that the solutions for this differential equation is in the form of thus all function. We can write this all functions of the form y of x is equal to b sine x is satisfy both differential equation and of course the boundary conditions for these differential equations. And of course, since as I said earlier, b for all b element of integers or a real number, of course, if we can do that, it means that for any constant b, there are infinitely many solutions for this particular equation. So we can actually um, replace b by any number. Di ba? So it can be one or two or three or whatever the value of this. This is in the form of our differential equations where b is our constant. So to enable to understand more of these differential equations, let us take a look at the last example here. We're going to take this differential or the second differential equation, y prime prime plus 9y is equal to 0 with boundary condition y of 0 is equal to 2 and y, the second conditions naman is pi over 6 is equal to 1. And our general solutions for these differential equations is y of x is equal to a cosine 3x plus b sine 3x. So again, we are going to find the first conditions where our differential equations and its boundary conditions where y is equal to or y of 0 is equal to 2. So we need to substitute the value of x which is equal to 0 to our differential equations. Y of 0 is equal to a cosine 3 times 0 is basically 0 plus b sine 3 times 0 is always 0 yan. So it means that it's same as the first equations that we have. Our cosine 0 is 1, so we have a times 1 plus b sine. Ang b sine 0 is equal to 0, so we have a is y of 0 is equal to a. But of course, we know that the conditions for this one to have the solution is to make y of 0 is equal to 2. So it means that 2 is equal or a is equal to 2. So we have now the solutions for this one in the form of y of x is equal, since ang a natin ay 2 dyan, so we're going to substitute 2, that is 2 cosine 3x plus b sine 3x. Now, we're going to find out what value of b is in this form so that we can find the solutions for these differential equations. So, in able to do that, now we can actually we have the second conditions for that differential equations y of 5 over 6 must be equal to 1. And syempre, we need to substitute the value of x which is equal to pi over 6. So our differential equation now is this one. So we're going to substitute it here. So y is equal to of course, that is pi over 6 is equal to 2 cosine, and that is 3 pi over 6. Ano, if you're going to multiply it. So, times or plus the b sine, and then this must be, again, that is 3 pi over 6. And taking or solving these equations, we have 2 cosine pi over 2 Yeah, is that correct? Pi over 2 plus b sine, and then that is pi over 2 as well. And of course, we know that the cosine 2 pi is equal to 0. So it means that 2 times 0. And then we have here the sine 2 pi. And basically, this is, ang sine 2 pi must be equal to 1. So that we have b times 1 here. So since this is 0, then we have b is equal to y pi over 6. But since we know that these boundary conditions will satisfy these equations, provided that y pi over 6 is equal to 1. So that our b is equal to 1. So the solutions or the general solutions for this one, the solutions for differential equations that satisfy the boundary conditions and the differential equations is given by y of x is equal to, of course, 2 cosine 3x plus, since ang b natin is equal to 1, then it should be cancel out here. So we cannot do 1 times sine. So we can write it as sine 3x. And that is the general solutions for these differential equations. And that's all for today. And thank you.